Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you are building a website with Squarespace in 2026, the summary block is one of the most powerful and underrated tools you can use. Automatically displays content, keeps pages dynamic, updates itself, no manual work. So in this guide I will show you step by step how to add a summary block in Squarespace in 2026 cleanly, correctly and like a pro. So first thing first, create content first. So before adding a summary block, make sure you have blog posts, products, events, portfolio items. So no content equals nothing to summarize. So now log into Squarespace, open your page editor. So after you enter or open your page editor, click add block or add section. Select summary. This block pulls content automatically. So inside summary block settings, select blog, events, products, or portfolio. Okay. Choose a specific collection, confirm source. You're choosing what gets displayed. Okay, so select a layout style. Squarespace offers multiple layouts, grid list. Okay, so match the layout to your content type and then display it or click save. So thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.